In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Notion account for the year 2025. Deleting your Notion account can be a straightforward process, but it's important to know the steps required to make it a smooth experience. So let's dive right in. First, you need to go to Notion. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Notion homepage. Simply type notion.so in the address bar and press enter. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. If you're not logged in yet, please enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you've successfully logged into Notion, navigate to the upper left of the screen where you should see your workspace name. This is typically located near the top of your Notion window, and it's a key area where you can find various settings related to your account. Clicking on your workspace name will open up a menu that will give you access to further settings. Now, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to look for and click on Settings. This section is crucial as it contains all the options related to your account management, privacy settings, and more. Next, after you're in the settings menu, look for your name. This is the section where you can find personalized settings related to your user profile. Clicking on your name will bring you to a new menu dedicated to your account settings. It's here that you'll find various options related to your profile, including your account management. Finally, within the account settings, search for the option titled Delete My Account. Clicking this option will initiate the process of permanently deleting your Notion account. Notion may prompt you with a confirmation dialog to ensure that you truly want to proceed with the deletion process. Make sure you read any messages carefully. Once you confirm, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Before you finalize this step, ensure that all your important data has been backed up, as this action is irreversible. Deleting your account will result in the loss of all the information associated with it. If you're certain that you no longer need anything from this account, go ahead and click through the confirmation prompts. By following these simple yet precise directions, you're well on your way to deleting your Notion account. Should you need to refer back, remember you can always revisit these steps to guide you. Hopefully, this guide has given you the confidence and clarity you need to complete the account deletion without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about using Notion in the future.